Hello guys. So today we are going to learn about array methods in ES6. In this video, we are going to learn about the ES6 array methods like map, filter, and reduce. You will see that the power of these methods is immense and they can be used to create powerful commands, to manipulate data and create dynamic arrays. So let's get started and explore array methods in ES6. I will open the project and on index.js I'm going to recommit this again. And first thing, there are many ways JavaScript shows that we can create the methods, but one of the most powerful in React is .map. .map. This is the array method through which we can create the uh, mapping. We can do the mapping of on the array object. So let's create an array. Const colors is equal to, let's suppose I have multiple colors. So right here, and then we have a multiple colors. So now I'm going to iterate all these colors. Colors dot map. So this map function iterate in the array, and it will iterate the one by one item. First it will go to red, then it will iterate the green and the blue. So we will write a function, and this function will return the object, whatever the object will be iterated, and then we are going to return something. So now in the color object, we have the value we get from the array. So first it will iterate the red and then it will go again in the map. Map will actually iterate the value one by one. So I will write something like this, list of items, and then I will write color, and then again I will write list of items and this. So if I console.log items, so if I go on the output, you can see here the item one is red, two green, and three is blue. But here we just learned in the arrow functions in a previous video that when we write the arrow functions in ES6, we are not going to pass the old way of method of writing this. So I'm going to remove this. And now you can see we also discussed in our previous videos that if we have one argument or one map parameter, we do not need to pass those as well as, and we need to pass the fat array here. Now the code is a bit different, but the outputs are same. This is the power of ES6. We discussed also in our starting video of ES6 that if we have the one argument, then we do not need to pass this return statement because here we have only one line statement. So we will remove this return statement and also this curly braces. So now our code is more precise and much easier to understand. It by default added by because I've used some coding for formatters, so it by default add this parenthesis, but I removed that. So now you can see here it's quite easy to understand what this code is doing. The dot map is actually iterating a function. You can see here it accepts the arguments, and also it's a callback function, one time for each element in an array. You can see here clearly it's mentioned, and once it start looping the objects from the collection, we will get one by one item from the collection. But I'm going to write some string literals here, which was introduces in Java, new modern JavaScript. Uh, we'll pass this sign. It is next to the number one on the keyboard. So here I will write and dollar sign, and I will write color. So you can see how easy it is to write this dot map function, and we will always use this dot map array method when we need to iterate our objects one by one, and if we need to add some customized value, we can add those. And but this is really helpful method in ES6. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and it's very easy to understand. Uh, Please continue watching these videos, and I have a lot of other stuffs coming in next videos. Thank you. Have a good day.